If you could create anything, what would you build? With PLUTO, you can start this right now. This is not just a plan. After more than 2 years of constant development, PLUTO is ready. With PLUTO, you can save space. We designed it to be far smaller than a regular desktop 3D printer. It's compact like a coffee machine. With PLUTO, you can work more precise than ever before, thanks to custom-built projector with DLP technology and the high-end components provided by IGUS. PLUTO is plug and play. You just connect it to your computer, launch the free software, and let the magic happen in the liquid resin. It's that easy. Turn your own desktop table into a small factory anytime you wish. Make functional prototypes, jewelry, toys. The possibilities are endless. The details of the printed objects are peerless. PLUTO is also open source. You are free to develop and try your own ideas and share them with the community. PLUTO is made and supported by an experienced team of engineers, designers, IT specialists. We got your back.